Have you ever wondered if justice is simply a matter of applying rules, or if something deeper, something more human, guides the scales? Judicial decisions, far from being purely mechanical applications of law, are profoundly shaped by moral considerations. These ethical frameworks influence how judges interpret statutes, apply precedents, and ultimately render judgments that affect society. The core reason for this deep connection lies in the inherent ambiguities and broad principles within legal systems. Laws are not exhaustive rule books. They often contain open textured language, general concepts like justice or reasonableness, and areas where statutory guidance is limited. When faced with such cases, judges must engage in interpretation, and this interpretive act inevitably draws upon underlying moral philosophies about what constitutes a fair or just outcome. They are not merely finding the law but actively making it relevant to specific human situations, guided by ethical reasoning. This engagement with morality manifests in several ways during the judicial process. Judges, for instance, consider the ethical implications of different possible rulings on individuals and society, weighing principles such as individual liberty, public safety, fairness, and equality. They assess whether a strict application of a legal rule would lead to an unconscionable result, prompting them to look for alternative interpretations or to invoke broader constitutional principles. This practical application of moral reasoning ensures that legal outcomes resonate with fundamental human values. Understanding these considerations reveals the true complexity of judicial work. Concepts such as judicial discretion, where judges have latitude to choose among legally permissible options, are often informed by an underlying ethical calculus. Furthermore, the evolution of societal norms and moral consensus can influence how judges interpret established laws over time, reflecting a dynamic interplay between law and ethics. This ongoing dialogue ensures the legal system remains responsive to contemporary understandings of right and wrong, even when navigating the tension between legal positivism and natural law theories. Ultimately, appreciating the moral dimensions of judicial decision-making allows for a more nuanced understanding of our legal system. It highlights that judges are not just legal technicians, but also moral agents striving to balance strict legal doctrine with the pursuit of justice and fairness in complex human dilemmas. This constant interplay is what makes the law a living, evolving framework designed to serve the ethical aspirations of a community.